Hi guys, this is a very quick tip for anybody using the Google Suite apps. For example, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms. There's a real quick way of bringing up the list of keyboard shortcuts for each one of these. And that is just to simply press Control and /. Now, I could go through a long list of keyboard shortcuts that I use myself, but rather than do that, I just thought if I bring up the keyboard shortcuts to show you, and then you can see for yourself which ones work for you. So you just press Control and /, and these are the keyboard shortcuts, and they're all categorized as well depending which app you're actually in. So at the minute we're in Google Slides, so keyboard shortcuts with the objects in the actual slides themselves, text formatting, editing, the comments section. So all of these keyboard shortcuts will work while you're within Google Slides themselves, the film strip as well. So when you're doing the actual slides themselves, this is the list of the keyboard shortcuts to use. And it's the same with, let me just come out of here and go into Google Sheets. And if you just press Control and /, it's the same with Google Sheets as well. So you have like your data for any keyboard shortcuts to use with data, your reviews, file commands, navigation. Everything is listed here because there's so many different keyboard shortcuts and not everybody wants to use the same ones. So this is a real handy way of finding them. And if you go into Google Docs and Control /, and same thing, paragraph formatting. So each one's specific to the actual app that you're using, which I find really good. But you only have to remember Control and / to bring these up. And finally, the last one I'll show you is Google Forms. So if we just do Control /, and again, brings up the keyboard shortcuts relevant to Google Forms. And you'll see here like form actions. So let's do a quick one here. So for example, duplicate item, Control-Shift and D. So if we're in this question, and we'll just do Control-Shift and D, and there you go, duplicates the item. So that's it, a real quick tip for you today. Hope you found it helpful. Leave a note in the comments for me if you did, or if you want me to cover anything else on any future tutorials. That's it for now, and until next time, happy learning.